Key 1. Listen active-ally. Active listening is the foundation of effective English shadowing. It is not enough to merely hear words. Learners must focus intently on how native speakers pronounce each word, the way they stress certain syllables, and the rhythm of their sentences. When you listen actively, you pay attention to subtle details such as intonation, pitch changes, pauses, and the natural flow of conversation. These elements are often what makes spoken English sound fluid and natural. By observing and absorbing these patterns, learners can start to internalize the way English sounds, which is essential for accurate reproduction during shadowing exercises. One of the most important aspects of active listening is noticing pronunciation differences. English has sounds that may not exist in a learner's native language, and these sounds can significantly affect comprehension and speaking clarity. By listening carefully, learners can distinguish between similar sounds such as ship and sheep or bat and bet. Identifying these subtle distinctions helps learners reproduce them correctly when speaking. Active listening also involves understanding the natural rhythm and stress patterns of English sentences. Unlike some languages where each word is pronounced evenly, English often emphasizes certain words while others are spoken quickly and softly. Recognizing these patterns is crucial because mimicking them improves not only pronunciation, but also overall fluency. Another element of active listening is focusing on the context and meaning behind the words. Native speakers naturally adjust their tone and pace based on the situation, emotion, or emphasis they want to convey. Paying attention to these contextual cues helps learners understand how English is used in real conversations. This understanding goes beyond memorizing vocabulary or grammar rules. It allows learners to grasp the subtleties of communication, including tone, emotion, and intention. By listening actively, learners can also identify common expressions, colloquialisms, and sentence structures that native speakers use effortlessly, which can later be practiced during shadowing. Finally, active listening develops the brain's ability to recognize and process English sounds quickly. This skill is essential because shadowing requires immediate imitation of spoken language. The more a learner listens carefully and consistently, the more naturally their brain adapts to the sounds and rhythms of English. Over time, this leads to improved comprehension, pronunciation, and speaking confidence, making active listening a vital first step in any shadowing exercise. Key 2. Speak out loud. Speaking out loud is a central part of English shadowing because it transforms passive listening into active language practice. Simply hearing English, even if done carefully, is not enough to build strong speaking skills. The act of producing the sounds yourself engages your vocal muscles, memory, and comprehension simultaneously. When learners speak out loud, they practice forming words correctly, controlling intonation, and producing natural rhythms, all of which are essential for fluency. Shadowing exercises encourage learners to repeat immediately after a native speaker, which forces them to synchronize listening and speaking in real time. This coordination strengthens the connection between hearing English and being able to reproduce it accurately. One major benefit of speaking out loud is that it builds muscle memory for pronunciation. English has many sounds that may be unfamiliar or difficult for non-native speakers. For example, the TH sound in words like think or this often requires deliberate practice. By speaking out loud repeatedly, learners train their mouths, lips, and tongue to produce these sounds naturally. Over time, these movements become automatic, reducing hesitation and increasing confidence in real conversations. This physical aspect of learning is often overlooked but is critical because clear pronunciation and natural speech patterns cannot be achieved through listening alone. Speaking out loud also improves rhythm and pacing. English sentences have a natural flow, where certain words are stressed and others are reduced or blended together. Shadowing aloud forces learners to match this flow, which is difficult to internalize if they only read or listen silently. By mimicking the timing and emphasis of native speakers, learners develop a sense of the musicality of English. This helps them sound more natural and expressive when speaking in real-life situations. In addition, vocal practice enhances self-awareness and confidence. When learners hear themselves speak, they can notice mistakes, such as mispronunciations or unnatural pauses, and correct them immediately. This feedback loop accelerates improvement and reduces the fear of speaking incorrectly. Speaking out loud also makes learners more comfortable with hearing their own voice in English, which is an important psychological step for overcoming shyness or anxiety. Finally, speaking out loud strengthens listening skills simultaneously. When learners repeat words immediately, they must pay attention to every detail of the audio, from pitch and tone to subtle pauses and inflections. This dual engagement of listening and speaking creates a strong neural connection that promotes fluency. Consistently practicing this way allows learners to not only speak more confidently, but also to understand English faster and more accurately. Key 3. Imitate accurate imitation is one of the most important components of the English shadowing technique because it bridges the gap between hearing and speaking naturally. Simply repeating words is not enough. Learners must strive to replicate the exact pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, and even the emotion of the native speaker. This level of imitation trains the brain to internalize English patterns, making them feel natural over time. By paying attention to small details, learners can develop a more authentic accent, smoother sentence flow, and better overall fluency. Imitating accurately also helps learners notice nuances in speech that are often missed when only reading or listening. A key aspect of accurate imitation is focusing on stress and intonation. English sentences are not spoken in a monotone. Some words are emphasized while others are softened or connected. For instance, in the sentence, "I didn't say he stole the money," stressing different words changes the meaning entirely. By imitating the speaker's stress patterns precisely, learners begin to understand how emphasis conveys meaning, which improves both comprehension and speaking skills. Intonation, the rise and fall of the voice, also plays a crucial role. English speakers often use rising intonation for questions and falling intonation for statements. Mimicking these patterns accurately makes spoken English sound more natural and expressive. Pronunciation is another critical element of accurate imitation. Many English sounds do not exist in other languages, and small differences can significantly affect clarity. For example, the distinction between ship and sheep may seem subtle, but accurate reproduction is essential for understanding. Shadowing allows learners to repeatedly hear and speak these sounds in context, gradually training their vocal apparatus to produce them correctly. Over time, this focused imitation leads to more precise articulation and greater confidence in speaking. Additionally, imitating accurately enhances listening skills. When learners concentrate on every sound, pause, and syllable, they become more sensitive to subtle differences in pronunciation and expression. This heightened awareness allows them to understand spoken English more easily, even when it is fast or complex. It also helps them pick up on idiomatic expressions, connected speech, and natural conversational patterns that are rarely taught in textbooks. Finally, accurate imitation fosters natural rhythm and fluency. By copying the way native speakers link words and use pauses, learners develop smoother speech patterns. The brain starts to anticipate and produce these patterns automatically, reducing hesitation and making speech sound effortless. Consistently, practicing imitation in this detailed and deliberate way is what separates effective shadowing from simple repetition, allowing learners to truly internalize the language. Key 4. Start small. Starting small is a crucial strategy in English shadowing because it allows learners to build confidence and develop skills gradually without feeling overwhelmed. Many learners make the mistake of beginning with long, complex audio clips or difficult passages, only to become frustrated and lose motivation. By starting with short sentences or simple dialogues, Learners can focus on mastering pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm without being burdened by complicated vocabulary or grammar. Short clips make it easier to notice subtle details in pronunciation and stress patterns, which are essential for accurate imitation. Beginning with manageable sections also helps learners develop consistency in practice. Shadowing requires frequent repetition, and shorter passages are easier to repeat multiple times, ensuring that learners internalize the correct sounds and patterns. Each repetition strengthens memory and reinforces muscle coordination for speaking. Short exercises allow learners to concentrate fully on accuracy rather than speed, gradually building the foundation needed for more advanced materials. Over time, these small, consistent practices accumulate, producing noticeable improvement in fluency and confidence. Starting small also reduces anxiety, which is a common barrier for language learners. Many people hesitate to speak English aloud because they fear making mistakes. Working with short, simple sentences provides immediate opportunities for success, which boosts motivation and encourages learners to continue practicing. This approach fosters a positive learning experience, making the process enjoyable rather than intimidating. Learners can celebrate small achievements, such as correctly pronouncing a tricky word or mimicking the intonation of a native speaker, which encourages them to progress further. Moreover, beginning with small steps allows learners to focus on different elements of shadowing in a controlled way. For instance, they can first concentrate on pronunciation, then gradually incorporate intonation, stress, and pacing. This step-by-step approach ensures that each aspect of spoken English is mastered thoroughly. Before moving on to more complex material, it also provides a clearer sense of progress, as learners can track improvements in specific areas over time. Finally, starting small creates a natural progression to longer sentences and more challenging content. Once learners feel comfortable with short passages, they can gradually increase the length and difficulty of their shadowing exercises. This gradual increase builds both skill and confidence, making advanced exercises less intimidating. By starting small, learners lay a solid foundation for long-term success in English speaking and reading, ensuring that they develop accuracy, fluency, and natural speech patterns in a sustainable way. Asterisk key 5. Practice regular practice is one of the most important factors in mastering English through shadowing because consistency transforms learning from occasional effort into lasting skill. Language acquisition is not instantaneous. It requires repeated exposure and repetition to build familiarity with sounds, vocabulary, and sentence patterns. Practicing daily, or at least consistently, allows learners to reinforce neural connections that make speaking and understanding English more automatic. Each session, no matter how short, contributes to the gradual development of fluency and confidence. Over time, these small, consistent efforts accumulate, producing significant improvement that is often more effective than sporadic, intensive practice sessions. Consistent practice helps learners internalize pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation patterns. English has many subtle sounds and stress patterns that may be unfamiliar to non-native speakers. Without regular repetition, these patterns are easily forgotten or mispronounced. By practicing every day, learners train their ears and mouths to recognize and reproduce these patterns naturally. For example, repeatedly shadowing phrases with challenging consonant clusters or vowel sounds helps the brain and vocal apparatus work together more efficiently. This leads to more accurate and fluid speech over time, even in spontaneous conversations. Regular practice also strengthens memory and builds confidence. Language learning involves remembering a vast number of words, expressions, and grammatical structures. Frequent engagement with spoken English helps learners recall vocabulary more quickly and use it appropriately in context. As learners notice their progress through daily practice, they become more self-assured in speaking aloud, reducing hesitation and fear of making mistakes. Confidence is a crucial component of fluency because even strong knowledge of grammar, and vocabulary is less effective if learners are reluctant to speak. Another benefit of consistent practice is the improvement of listening skills. Shadowing requires listening and immediately reproducing speech, which trains the brain to process English sounds rapidly. The more regularly a learner practices, the faster their comprehension improves. They start noticing subtle nuances such as intonation, connected speech, and colloquial expressions that native speakers use naturally. This heightened awareness makes both listening and speaking more effective. Finally, regular practice encourages the development of good habits and discipline. By dedicating a set amount of time each day to shadowing, learners establish a routine that keeps them motivated and focused. Even short daily sessions are more beneficial than occasional long ones because they maintain momentum and prevent skills from fading. Consistent practice ensures steady progress, gradually transforming hesitant, uncertain speech into confident, fluent English communication. Asterisk key 6. Internalize language patterns. Internalize language patterns is a vital aspect of English shadowing because it moves learners beyond mechanical repetition and into a deeper understanding of how the language naturally flows. When learners focus on imitating sounds and sentences repeatedly, they start to absorb the rhythm, stress, and intonation of English without consciously thinking about grammar rules or vocabulary. This internalization allows learners to produce sentences more fluidly, making their speech sound natural rather than forced. By shadowing consistently, learners begin to think in English at the level of patterns and structures, which is essential for spontaneous conversation and fluent reading aloud. Language patterns include word order, common expressions, contractions, and linking sounds. Native speakers rarely pronounce each word distinctly. Instead, words connect. Vowels may be reduced, and certain phrases are repeated in predictable ways. For example, phrases like "How are you doing?" or "I've got to go" have specific rhythms that convey meaning efficiently. By shadowing and mimicking these patterns, learners internalize not only pronunciation, but also the natural flow of spoken English. This helps in reducing the gap between comprehension and speaking, as the brain learns to anticipate which sounds and words come next in a sentence. Another important aspect of internalizing language patterns is developing intuition. For sentence structure, learners begin to sense which word forms, prepositions, or auxiliary verbs are commonly used in specific contexts. This intuitive knowledge allows them to construct sentences correctly without pausing to think about rules, making speech faster and more confident. It also aids in listening comprehension because learners recognize familiar patterns, even when spoken quickly or in casual conversation. Internalization also strengthens memory and recall. When patterns become ingrained, learners can reproduce phrases and sentences effortlessly, even in new contexts. This natural recall supports more advanced speaking skills, including storytelling, discussions, and debates. By repeatedly hearing and producing these patterns, learners train their brain to process English in the same way native speakers do, which is the ultimate goal of shadowing exercises. Finally, internalizing language patterns empowers learners to speak with confidence and authenticity. Instead of relying on memorized sentences or translations from their native language, they can express ideas naturally, smoothly, and fluently. Shadowing transforms learning from a conscious effort into an automatic skill, unlocking the ability to communicate effectively in real-life situations. With dedication to this practice, learners can achieve a level of fluency where English flows effortlessly from their mind to their lips, creating a sense of mastery that is both satisfying and empowering. The beauty of shadowing lies in this transformation. It turns repetition into instinct, listening into speaking, and practice into natural, confident English fluency.